Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Outshade and also click on the bell icon to get notified the next time we upload a video. Thank you. Not many human beings have been to this space, and as a result, a lot of misconceptions have been piled up in our minds regarding the outer space. In today's video of Unmask, we are going to clear all of them for you. Let's get started. Number 1. Sun is yellow. This is what we have been told from our childhood, or possibly what we have been seeing. Well, is it true? Absolutely not. The sun is not of any yellow, orange or any other flame-related colors. In reality, it is white in color. Don't trust me? Well, we have two things that can prove it to you. The first one, try burning anything at a temperature at which the sun burns, which is 5504 degrees Celsius. You will see that it burns with white color and not in any yellow or orange or red. The second one is the photographs and the visual proofs that the astronauts who've been out there in the space have brought home. The reason that we see the flame-related colors of the sun standing on Earth is because of the Earth's atmosphere. The sun's light undergoes various diffractions and refractions due to the Earth's atmosphere, and hence we see those various colors. Number 2. Humans will explode in space without wearing a spacesuit. The straight answer to this is no. People will not explode in space if they enter into it without wearing a spacesuit. Yes, it is true that human body will swell up to twice its original size due to the pressure differences between the Earth's atmosphere and the space, which is a vacuum zone. But certainly, we won't explode. Yes, they might end up dying due to the lack of oxygen if they enter the space without wearing a spacesuit. The human skin acts as a protection for the organs, but long-term exposure of the bare body to the space will end up in long-term problems. Number 3. Mercury is the hottest planet. Well, the only theory that we have for saying that Mercury is the hottest planet is because it's the closest one to the sun. Believe it or not, it is not the hottest planet. Wonder why? In reality, the temperature of the planet mostly depends on the atmosphere rather than its distance from its parent star. The atmosphere in Mercury is almost negligible, and hence the average temperature on Mercury ranges around 430 degrees centigrade. This is because Mercury has no atmosphere to retain the heat it gets from the sun. And this is the reason at nighttime the temperature on Mercury drops to an average of minus 170 degrees centigrade. The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. The reason being its atmosphere. Venus has a very dense atmosphere and is filled with greenhouse gases. The temperature on Venus averages to 430 degrees centigrade. It also has raging sulfuric acid storms which can dissolve humans just in seconds. Number 4. The dark side of the moon. People usually say that there is a dark side of the moon. This is because we, the people of Earth, only get to see the half of the moon, as the moon revolves around the Earth in a fixed orbit, and hence we will be able to see only a portion of it. In reality, the other side of the moon also receives the same amount of sunlight the other half gets. This confusion arises in humans due to the visuals of moon that we see from the Earth's surface. We get to see only one side of the moon, and hence people believe that the other side is darker. Number 5. Earth is round. This is the thing what we have been told all our childhood, that the Earth is round in shape, and it's a lie. The Earth is often compared to a sphere or globe, but in reality, the Earth is not a sphere in shape. It is a geoid, also called as an oblique spheroid. The shape of the Earth is almost like a sphere, but it's wider at the equator and flatter at the poles, resulting in a rough sphere-shaped design. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. We do episode of Dope Tech on every Wednesday, and an episode of Top Lists on every Monday, and another episode of Unmask on every Saturday. So make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on those video updates. Thank you.